everybody, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video is going to be a what's in my backpack video. I love watching these videos to see what everybody else is bringing to school this year. As you can see by the title of this video, I am going back to school. So I start tomorrow. I'm going for nursing. I'm not in the actual nursing program yet, so I had to take a few prerequisite classes and then I can apply for the nursing program. So I thought I would start these videos out before I get into nursing anyway, just so you all can see what it's like from day one. I'm super excited to start, but also nervous. I went to college 6 years ago and dropped out. There was a lot of things going on and it just wasn't the best timing. So I did drop out and started working full-time, and that's what I have done ever since. So I'm still working full-time and going to school part-time. So we're gonna see how that balance works out. But if you would like to see what is in my backpack this year, then keep on watching. So this backpack right here is an Adidas backpack. I don't remember the name of the backpack, but I will try to find it on their website and link it below. I got this at the college bookstore, so I'm sure they still have it on Adidas's website. This backpack was $55, which is I think a pretty fair price for a backpack, especially one that is this size. So let's just jump right in. So this front pocket right here just has my Apple Watch charger and my phone charger in here. I don't plan on spending too much time at campus after classes, but you never know when you're gonna need your phone charger. This pocket right here, I have my glasses. If you wear contacts, you know sometimes your contacts just don't want to work with you that day, and I cannot see without contacts or glasses. So I'm gonna bring a backup pair of glasses just in case I have a contact emergency. The next pocket right here, this one it's a pretty decent size. I have my planner in here. This planner is from TJ Maxx. It's just a basic weekly, monthly planner. I also have this bag right here. It's got some makeup products, some chapstick, just things that, you know, I may need to touch up throughout the day. And then the other thing I have in here is also a makeup bag, but I have this for my pencil case. So this just has my pens, pencils, highlighters, markers, anything that I may need to write with during class. And then also it has a mesh pocket. So in this one, I have some page tab markers, some whiteout, and then I have a few extra pencils that wouldn't fit in that pencil case, so I just threw them in there. So this pocket right here is the main one of the backpack. I do have my laptop in here. I was worried that it wasn't going to fit because my laptop is a full-size laptop. In a lot of cases in backpacks, it's too big for it, so it doesn't fit. So luckily this backpack does carry it pretty nicely. It does have a really nice soft protective pocket to put it in. I have my psychology book in here, my math book, and then I just have 3 basic notebooks to take notes in and things like that. I didn't feel the need to go out and buy a lot of extra stuff because I did that the first time I was in college and I didn't use half of it. So I just decided to go with a more simple route, and then if I need something else later on, I can just go out and buy it. That is what is in my backpack. If you have any other video recommendations you want to see, please let me know in the comments and I can film those for you. I'm wanting to vlog throughout my whole college process. I see a lot of people who vlog, especially in the nursing program. They start when they are in the nursing program already. So I wanted to show what that's like from day one and just to document along the way. So I wanted to talk about what classes I'm taking and when I'm taking them, what they're like, how hard they are, how easy they are, what my grades were. I just wanted to share with you all what it's like from day one. So I am going to vlog the first week of school. I start tomorrow, so I'm gonna vlog before and after school, talk about what they did, what kind of classes I'm taking, and things like that. So I'm gonna try to post 1 to 2 times a week, vlogs, studying, things like that. Maybe throw in some makeup stuff, makeup routines, anything like that. Please like this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. That way you can hang out with me during my college journey. I really appreciate it, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.